Hey, what's going on, knife nerds? I got the Vosteed Mink here with me. It's a fixed blade in Nitro V frag micarta. And I'm going to do a quick disassembly and reassembly video. Alright, so it's T8s all around. Bam. Alright, so this is great for those who want to do a little modding, switch the scales out, scale swap with the other version. Alright, pretty basic. Bam. And who knows, maybe you want to take these scales off and just wrap it with some paracord, some leather. That'd be classy. Or maybe you want to keep it like this. It's kind of cool. So you can see the holes are D-shaped. So these screws are essentially just pivot screws. They're not going to turn. So that's good. And yeah, just micarta. Flat micarta scales. So for all those modders out there, there you go. Now, I want to get some fat carbon on this piece. That'd be cool. This thing's kind of nice. A little thin. But yeah, super slender. Bam. So you guys already know. Make sure the pivot's straight. There we go. Did I call it the pivot? Whoops. You guys know what I meant. Alright. Yeah, easy enough. I mean, if you want, you can even put some liners underneath, like maybe some G10, some leather, you know, some highlights to it. That'd be pretty nice. But me, I want some fat carbon. Alright, so you guys get the gist of it. Boom. Come on, gotta go to work. There it is. This is my quick disassembly and reassembly.